Hey guys, Michael's Gettin Greasy Garage. So working on the fair lane today. More electrical. Thought I would show you guys what I use to secure wires. I got several different types here, and there's lots more than this. Of course, you got good old zip ties. I buy them at Harbor Freight. They're cheap, and they seem to be decent quality. So you can secure wires with those. Everybody knows that. Here's some of the different styles. So you can see this guy here has got the little strap and the little latch there. As you can see, that's how it secures the wire. These ones are kind of nice because you can unlatch them and pull it back through, put more wires in if need be. They have a screw mount hole and double-sided sticky tape. So once you mount your wires in them, you can cut the tail off if you want or leave it for later. That's one style. We've got these guys here, which you can screw mount, and they're double-sided sticky tape, and you can zip tie from either direction. They look like that. You know, again, they're double-sided. So these ones are a little bit more fancier. These are kind of standoff type, and these require you to drill a hole for your tab to stick through. But these are squeeze lock, like it shows here. You can get all kinds of different sizes of these. These just happen to be a couple that I have. These kind of wire holders here, you can secure this to wires or a wrapped harness. With zip ties, drill a hole, push it in. I like these. Here's another idea of the same thing, a little bit bigger. These ones here are kind of neat too. The only thing with these is they don't have screw mounting hole, but they're just on a little latch with teeth, and you can release them. You can see how it holds the wire. So any one of these is good idea. Here's another one that I happen to have, and again you can see that from where it mounts to where the wire is gives some distance. These are just different ones that I use regularly that I keep in my cart with all of my electrical stuff. Again, regular zip ties work fine, but I like these because you can do nice clean wiring, make everything look decent, route it how you want, and it will stay in place. These are cheap. All of these I found on eBay in bulk. You know, everything from 25 to 2,500 in quantity if you want them. I just look up wire holders on the eBay search engine, and this is what you find. These are the styles that I use and prefer. I use these for any and all electrical. If I'm putting wires behind my TV in the house, I use these or these. I like to keep all my electrical neat and organized. Even, yes, behind my TV in the house. So, thought I'd just show you guys what's out there. Some of you know this, some of you don't. But when you want to prevent shorts, electrical fires, electrical problems of any sort, it really helps if you secure the wiring. On the fair lane, I've been using this style, the square with the zip tie. Those work good. The double-sided sticky tape, that stuff is like concrete. It doesn't come off. That's, that's my opinion. But anyway, there's some ideas for you on how to secure wires so you don't have problems. besides just using plain old zip ties. Alright guys, enough out of me. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. It's free, doesn't cost you a penny, really helps out the channel. Really trying to break that 500 subscriber mark. We're at 246. I appreciate everybody that's subscribed and watches and supports us. And I gotta get back to work here, guys. I got lots of wiring to do. I gotta put all those relays in. Relay for the rear trunk, the air ride, and then we got 3 for red underglow, the line lock, and the electric fan override. So, alright guys, stay greasy, my friends.